This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Josh Holley. Open House Sunday OCT 1 off from 2 to 4 p.m. Welcome to this one owner 5-bedroom 3-bath home located in the highly sought after Herons Ridge community of Lakeland. Situated on spacious 0.40 acre homesite with lots of privacy in your backyard retreat. Lots of flexibility with 2 bedrooms 2 baths down and 3 bedrooms and Jack and Jill bath up. Smooth ceilings, beautiful nail down hardwood floors, plantation shutters, Roman shades, 22 by 16 arbor with 31 by 22 outdoor concrete entertaining space and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Holley at 901-221-4041.